Hello everyone, this video is for you. It's a daily video that tells you what zone we're in, what basic weekly plan we're working on, and reminds you of your routines. Take a look, you'll see that these three things are here. There may be some other things in there that may or may not relate to the time of year, but that's okay. Enjoy. Hello Fly Babies, hello my patrons, hello my lions living in our new strength. It's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Wednesday. We have a 3-layer cake. First layer routines, second layer basic weekly plan, third layer zone. So our routines are our morning routine for ourselves and our children, our laundry routine, 1 load, 2 load, 3 loads, whatever it is, or if you've delegated some children to do their own laundry, delegated your children's laundry to them, then maybe it's their day and you're going to oversee that, but that's part of your daily routine. Your paper routine, while the laundry's going, you're going through an inch of paper, unless, lucky you, you've already done it and there isn't any more paper. That day will come for each and every one of you if you do an inch a day, I promise. And then we're going to go straight from there. Those are our 3 morning routines. We're going to go straight to our basic weekly plan. Today is Wednesday, so our basic weekly plan for today is planning and desk day. And it always starts with the refrigerator. So you're going to open the fridge and say, okay, what needs to go? You're going to go through the refrigerator. You're going to do a little wipe down, not a major clean. This is not a deep clean in the kitchen. However, we are currently in zone 2, the kitchen. And so you may do a little straightening and decide you're not going to do a little clean because you're going to do a big clean later today. That's an option. But if you're not, just do a little wipe down so it looks nice when you get your groceries. The next thing is you're going to take some inventory. What's in that fridge that you can use? What's in the drawers? Is that a wilted head of lettuce or those limp carrots? Those need to go. And then take note, maybe I don't need to buy so much of that. We always seem to throw the celery away. Or I'm going to start wrapping my celery in tin foil, it stays crisper, or whatever. Then look in the freezer and look in the pantry. Figure out what you have. Get your spiral notebook. Where's mine? Oh, mine's over in my inbox. But get your spiral notebook and write the things down that you have. Then you're going to say, okay, from that, you can go sit down now. Now you're going to say, okay, these are the things I have. I know what I need. I need butter, I need eggs, I need milk. You've already looked in there, so you've also put that on your little list as you were going, just your staples. I need some salt. We're out of that. What else did I write on that little $1 sticky pad that's magnetically attached to the front of the fridge? Go look and see what you've written down. Oh yeah, pickles. Jim wants those little baby gherkins. Okay, so I'll put that down. Okay, now you're going to go take a fresh page and you're going to say, okay, what do I want to make for my meals this week? So you're going to make your menu based on what you have. And then if you can make, and what I do is I make my whole menu based on what I have. Then I check off all the stuff that I have on that menu that I don't have to buy things for. And then everything else I know needs to go on my list. So if it's a special casserole, I might have the noodles, but I don't have the chicken or whatever. I start writing down what I need, or I just need chicken breast, or I need cod, or whatever. So I do my proteins, I do my vegetables, I do my starches, I do my fruits, I think about snacks, I think about lunches, I think about breakfasts, coffee, cereals, oatmeal, get it all down there. Now you're going to go to your budget and you're going to say, okay, my budget is $100 this week for groceries, let's say. I'm going to spend $99, and I encourage you to take cash if you can't control yourself. I even more encourage you to go online and order your groceries and go pick them up from Walmart if you have one of those services, or Kroger I think also does it, to save yourself because you know you're sidetracked, right? You know that, right? So it saves you from being sidetracked with all the other stuff in the store, and before you know it, you spent $120 where you meant to spend $99. Because you just can't live without those things. But when you're at home and you're writing it down and you're doing it on the list, you drive up and someone puts it in the trunk, you get home, you're just as happy. You have everything you really need, and you haven't seen that little temptation that makes you want to spend more money. All right, so whatever you can do, if you just have to take cash with you, then that'll keep you from doing that because you know you only have so much. And you know how much things cost because you buy groceries all the time, or you can take a pretty good guess, right? So you're going to make your best guess, always guess high, right? Always guess high. That way you can not spend too much money. Okay, now, next. You've got your grocery list, you've got your budget, you're under budget, great. Now you're going to look at your checking account and make sure that it's balanced and everything is in, or if there's still some things out, that you make sure that you account for those so you know that you only have this much money and that agrees with your budget. You have enough. And then we're going to pay our bills. So you're going to pay your bills according to your budget. And then you're going to go to your inbox, your Wednesday inbox, and you're going to handle any action items that are in there. Maybe you need to call the doctor and change that appointment for Joe because he has an appointment that day at work and he can't get away. Or maybe you promised that you would go to the soccer game and bring treats, but you don't know what the treats are supposed to be and you need to call somebody to find out. So just whatever it is, do your action items. And then if you have something to file, now's the time to file it. Go ahead and file. All right, you're done with the desk. Now you've got your planning done. Now take your planner and put your meals in your planner. And I always put my meals in the planner. Look right here. Here's what we're having tonight. It's probably backwards, but it says shrimp and saffron rice and peas. That's what we're having for dinner tonight. I have it written down every night, so I know today we're having shrimp and yellow rice, really, and peas. So you'll be able to put that in your book that says what you're having every night. Now you can move things around, that's fine, but at least you have a plan. And so you'll be thinking of it when you wake up in the morning. Actually, you'll be thinking of it before you go to bed at night because you're going to look at this to see if you need to take anything out of the freezer. And in the morning, you're going to tell a family, this is what we're having. And then you're going to have your day organized so that you're not going to end up at Wendy's buying chili and hamburgers for everybody and coming off your budget. You're going to serve what you have in the house, which is probably better for you anyway. Okay? All right. So that is planning and desk day. Then the next thing we're going to do is work in the kitchen. So now let's go in there and do 15 minutes. Yesterday I wiped down all my cabinets. So today my plan is to clean the baseboards because today is a busy day. Tomorrow is a busy day. I'm going to do something little tomorrow too, and that is to polish the table in there. And then on Thursday, I'm going to clean the refrigerator, which is a little more time consuming. It won't take too much time though. All right, that's the plan, and I hope you have a good plan. Now, if you're working, here's how your day goes. Get up in the morning and do your morning routine. After your morning routine, go to work. When you're at work, think about the basic weekly plan as far as the weekly home blessing goes. If you have delegated something, then call the children to make sure that they remember today's dusting day, and then call before you leave. Today's dusting day. I'll be home soon. Make sure it's done. When you come home, inspect what you expect. Go put in a load of laundry, or actually start your dinner. Get that cooked and simmering or holding. Go put in a load of laundry. While the laundry is washing, go through an inch of paper, and then actually, you can do that in any order you want. But the idea is you want to get your laundry going and go through your paper. You could have the delay button so your clothes can already be washed when you come home. Just have to put them in the dryer. Then you're going to work in your kitchen for 15 minutes doing something to clean the kitchen. Maybe not even 15. Maybe it's just a little thing, like I said, wiping the baseboards or polishing the table. If you have a wooden table in there, or cleaning the lamp. You know, maybe you have a light fixture that hangs down. Things that you don't usually think about, the more deep clean things. Maybe you need to clean the floor in the pantry. Have you ever thought about that? So anyway, that's it for today. After you do that, everyone's going to come together with their after dinner routine and our before bed routines. I've been focusing on the before bed routine. I'll continue to do that through the month of August. Again, the before bed routine is determining what time you need to be in bed, getting the kids' bed routine, before bed routine done, and yours in whichever order you prefer, and then making sure that everybody's in bed on time so that when you get in there you have time to relax. So with the children, it's a quick clutter check. Remember, we're doing those 3 times a day, morning, afternoon, and evening. Or if you work morning before you leave, when you come home from work immediately, a quick clutter check, and before the before bed routines. So you're doing a quick clutter check. That's for mindless clutter, just little things that are laying around. Don't take that personally. Don't be aggravated with that. That's just human nature. You're going to make sure that people get their little clutter picked up. If you do it 3 times a day, it won't be overwhelming for anyone. All right, then it's the before bed routine for the children. So the children are going to have to put their toys and games away, and then go pick out a story and their clothes, their pajamas. Then they're going to go in the bathroom, and they're going to put their dirty clothes in the laundry. They're going to take a bath. If they need to wash their hair, they can do that. Brush their teeth, clean out the sink, hang up their hand towel, hang up their bath towel, put on their pajamas, go and get in bed, and it's story time. However that works for you and the age of your children. Then when it's done, they've got like 15 minutes before they can calm down and go to sleep. That's it. Now you are going to need about 30 minutes because you have a lot more on your mind than little kitties. So you're going to do your before bed routine, and it entails going into the kitchen, making sure all the last minute dishes have been put in the dishwasher or have been washed, wiping out the sink and hanging out a new towel in there, making sure that the dishwasher is running, the blinds are closed, the dog's been let out for the last time, those kinds of things. Then you're going to go and look at your planner and see what's for dinner tomorrow, take out anything you need to take out to thaw. Maybe you have a frozen lunch that you have for tomorrow, you need to get that in the fridge, get it thawing. Maybe you have a casserole that you want to take out so it can be thawed out tomorrow when you come home, or maybe you just need to thaw out some meat overnight so that you can put it in the crock pot in the morning. Whatever it is, you're going to take care of that because you know what you're having. And then you're going to go pick out your clothes based on what your book says. What are you doing tomorrow? Hang them up in the bathroom so when you're in there or wherever you get dressed, you can get dressed in the morning. So you're kind of prepping your morning routine is what you're doing. Take your bath or your shower at night that calms you down so you can rest and sleep better. If that's not you, then take it in the morning, but make sure you have enough time for an uninterrupted shower, okay? And then we're going to brush our hair. If you have dry hair or it's wet, you're going to brush that out, do whatever you need to do with your hair. Put on your moisturizer, brush your teeth, floss your teeth, put on your pajamas, put your clothes away, go get in bed 30 minutes before, do whatever it is you do to relax, and then when it's time for you to go to sleep, let's say 11 o'clock, roll over and go to sleep. Make sure your alarm is set. You're in charge of your own of waking yourself. No one else is. That's it for today. I hope you have a beautiful day, and always remember that you are beautiful. Bye. I hope you enjoyed that, and I know that you're going to have a great time in your house today. Remember to focus on getting it done first, fast, make it fun, and get it finished. Complete the process, and don't let those little things bug you that you see that are for future dates. Use your planner, and always remember that you are beautiful.